Hello guys, my name is Cristina Pilo and I'm an international makeup artist. I'm super excited to show you today's makeup look created with the Ultimate Pro Shadow Palette by Palladio. This palette is my favorite because it was developed by makeup artists and it has all the colors you need to create any look, from the most natural one to a very intense smoky eyes. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is use this color in our crease. Just grab a blending brush and apply it all over your crease, slowly up and down. We're also gonna bring it all the way to our lower lash line for a smokier look. Alright, right after that, we're gonna grab a little darker color and gonna do the same but in a smaller space. We still wanna do it on our crease because we wanna make our eyes bigger with a bigger expression. So use a blending brush to get the perfect shade. We're also going to bring it on our lower lash line, but only on the outer corner. The next step is the liquid eyeshadow in the color Jasper. Apply it all over your lid and let it dry. So before the liquid eyeshadow completely dries, go back to your blending brush and blend it. Now let's intensify this look with Palladio's Lash Obsessed Mascara. Don't forget to make zigzag movements so you go between your eyelashes. For my eyebrows, I'm using the brow pencil in the color Blonde to frame the look. You want to do small strokes of hair so it looks as natural as possible. And always use a spiral to comb your hairs up. And to keep my eyebrows in place, I'm using the Brow Styler Tinted Gel in the shade Medium Dark. Brush them up and to the side. Finally, to finish my eyes, I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone and inner corner with this color. Let's go back to our face now. I'm using matte bronzer in the shade Teeny Bikini to pop my cheekbones and matte blush in the shade Toasted Apricot to bring some color back to my face. Always smile so you know where to place your blush. Always in the apple of your cheeks. It's time for my favorite step. I'm using Glowing Liquid Highlighter in the shade 24K. I'm gonna use my fingers and slowly and gently gonna pat them to my face. It's time to focus on the mouth. I am using the lip liner in the color Café and then the Velvet Matte Lip Color in the shade Organza. If you want your makeup to last all day, don't forget to use the mattifying setting spray.